Hey YouTube, got a couple of three interesting news items here to share with you. ZCash price, um, Kodak canceling its ICO, and the current Bitcoin price. So, an analyst at uh, at Grayscale predicts $60,000 for Zcash by 2025, which is interesting. And basically, what he says is because of its privacy, um, that it could hit that. In a 20-page thesis, Matthew Beck writes Zcash could prove to be the first globally accessible offshore investment opportunity. Um, the proverbial Swiss bank account. He notes the offshore banking sector has declined in recent years due in part to added pressure on tax evasion and increased competition. So, interesting. Current price of Zcash is 378, and so if you get one of those bad boys, um, you know, so you pay $300 for one, and it goes to 60,000. That's a good investment. So anyway, I'm not giving advice or anything, but I thought it was interesting. I may go and get one of these. There's only 3 million of these in circulation, and it's got a market cap of $1 billion. All right, and let's see. Moving on, Kodak postpones its ICO after its leading advisor's reputation is revealed. So first of all, I didn't even know that Kodak had an ICO upcoming until this. So that's interesting. Apparently, so I looked into it. Apparently, what they're doing is they have like image rights management, kind of like the same thing that you have for music, for images, which I think is a good idea, and it's good to see that Kodak is trying to catch up. You know, they were like the major thing back in the 70s and before, and even with the digital camera revolution with the Kodak Easy Pics digital cameras. So, but they've fallen way behind. So this is their strategy to come back. So what they're doing is they're going through their process and looking at all of their investors on the board there. So apparently somebody had some shady dealings. And then finally here we've got Bitcoin that's at 9,200. So you can see here on every drop there was people or there were groups that were buying it up at every dip. So they're buying this. So there's a lot of selling pressure. There's also buying to keep it propped up. But if I look at my chart here on TradingView, it's not looking good. Well, depending on where you are, it looks like this thing could go down to it's 8,000 will be the first stop. Then they get a bounce up, and then and then bombs. Okay, it's not. Let's screw around with it, and then bombs away down here to the 66,000 area here. So that's where I'm thinking that it might end up somewhere, possibly. So anyway, Ether was holding really strong, but it has started, but it's still, I mean, it's at one, it's at 1,075, so it's still holding in there. So I'm thinking, like by the middle of the year, Ether will probably be $46,000, and we'll try to take on BTC, Bitcoin, as the dominant player. Mostly all the ICOs are going through the Ethereum blockchain. It's much faster. It's much cheaper. I just sent a small amount of Ether from trading platform to my wallet. It literally, no joke, literally took 3 seconds. And it cost 9 cents. Like no joke. All right, so that's what I got for you on this first day of February 2018. Have a great day, and if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you.